Hey, Randy, got Halloween gnomes here. Pretty awesome. Let's check them out. These were sent to me for evaluation purposes. Let's take a look at these things. Let's get a look at them. All right. I got a little witch gnome. And I got a little other guy gnome here. I know this is a witch because it has a witch hat on it. This guy has a little top hat on him. Check them out. Look at those guys. These are awesome. Got little fangs and a red nose. All right, let's figure out what these things are all about. So, okay, so the back of this guy, there's a little backpack on with a little switch on there. You flip the switch, and his nose lights up. Can you see his nose light up? Hold on, turn it off. Nose lights up. It's kind of hard to see with the lights. So we unscrew the bottom here, and it's an actual storage jar. It's pretty light. It's plastic. It's light, and you can see the cap on the bottom here. You're gonna have to be careful when you unscrew this, and don't do what I did and pull half his beard off. But they're pretty light. The wind will knock these over. So if you're gonna use something like this as an outdoor decoration, you're gonna want to put something inside of there. Maybe candy. I don't know if you're doing candy for Halloween. Also another jar on the witch, and we have another light. Does the witch's nose light up? Let's find out. Yep. It's awesome. Be careful when you put these on. There's some tassels and stuff inside of here that you're gonna want to make sure you miss when you screw this on. So what I'm going to use these for is I usually put a chair at the end of the driveway and a bowl for the kids, and they come through on Halloween. So I might put some sand or something inside of these guys to weight them down. Maybe a couple of rocks. Obviously, I don't think I'm going to use them for candy because I'd have to unscrew the lid every time, and I don't want to do that. But we got little decorations to go with my Halloween candy bowl. Just going to have to weight them down a little bit, make sure the wind doesn't blow over. But you can see I'm on a flat desk. They're fine if there's no wind, but they are pretty light. Just throwing that out there. But obviously these would be great for Halloween. You know, you got a friend that's into Halloween and Halloween decorations. This would be perfect for them. So if you're looking for some affordable Halloween gnomes decorations, cute little decorations, check out these Halloween gnomes. Check them out.